Hey guys! Yo! We got the full screen. I did some thinking. I used my big brain. So, we got a full screen of trading view charts today. We unfortunately have to keep the borders though. I just don't have full screen mode on my monitor. So, yeah. Big brain, big brain. Looks like we're gonna come sweep London High, so we potentially may get a sort of trade, I hope. Account am I logged into? I need to set up my trader copier. For sure. Alright. I'm logged into Lucid. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I know. It's gonna be fine, I think. Yes, this is fine.
Put it on display application.
Hey?
Ignore me. You ignore me.
Okay, great. I don't know why my Discord is not working. Like, Discord just hates me right now. Like, it just does this. Does anyone know how I can fix this? I don't know why. This is my Discord right now. Like, what is going on? I need Alan to tell me what's going on. Because I want to stream in the Discord, but I can't get the Discord open, so that's that.
Alan, help!
Alan, help. Please, help. Stay out at night.
Good God.
You wanna see? Yeah, preach, preach. I found some better place and I miss you. Like the desert miss the rain. And I miss you. Yeah, I prefer London. London is so good, honestly. This little rejection zone right there. Ooh, that's quite nice. See who you wanna see. Where's Alan at? Alan, where you at, dog?
Okay.
Alan, where are you, Alan? We need you, Alan. Anybody know how I can fix this when I open up my Discord? This is what happens. How do I fix this? Please. Please help. We can't really see Hannah.
She's here though. Sorry, I'm just practicing CapCut for the first time in my existence.
Okay, Queen.
I will be online shortly.
Yeah, I don't know why my Discord is doing this, to be honest, but whatever. Yeah, exactly. Trump. Well, sometimes Trump does speak at these times. I don't know what time Blood wakes up, but he wakes up early. He really does. Stay out at night. See who you wanna see. Okay, we got some nice fibs lining up above London High, so I am pretty happy with drawing some rejection zones on NQ and ES. Oops. We have this 2.5 from this displacement projection, and we have this -4 from this manipulation from the low of London, lining up above London High, and then we've got 2 -4s lining up here on NQ. However, NQ is a lot weaker than ES right now, so we may get some SMT. Hey, Alan.
Oh my God.
Let me pin the Discord in the chat. If you want to join the Discord, I usually stream on there and there's less of a delay. So I believe there's like a 30-second delay on the YouTube stream. So if you want to watch 0 delay, then join the Discord. I cannot currently stream on the Discord though. Okay, someone said do task manager and go exit Discord, relaunch. All right, I'm gonna take this over here just in case there's like some shit, but I should be showing. Discord. How do I do exit Discord? Do I do end task?
Yeah, maybe.
Sure, we'll end the task. Anything? You're the goat. You're the goat. You're the goat. You're the goat. Thank you. You're the best. Oh.
You're not.
Oh, you're the goat. Okay, let's go. All right, I'll start streaming on the Discord now. As well. Let's do that. Live trading. Okay, let me share my screen on Discord. There we go. Boom. Okay, if you want to watch the stream with no delay, feel free to join the Discord and you can watch over there. But I usually read the chat on YouTube, so if you want to say anything, then please say it on YouTube.
This is my favorite fucking thing in the world.
Guys, I'm actually seriously concerned. So someone has made a edit of me on X and they've like AI'd me pictures next to random men and me hugging random men and made an edit. Like, it's actually really, really, really scary. Yeah.
Yeah, it is actually terrifying, but like I find it hilarious at the same time.
But it's like, let me show you some of the images. They're really, really frightening. Like, so, yeah, I'm gonna give you a little warning first of all. So this is the first one I see when I come in onto X this morning. This is the first thing that I come across, by the way. Next. Like, what is this? I actually don't, I have no words. I have 0 words for this. This is really frightening for me. Hey everybody, how's everybody feeling? I'm feeling hungry, but I got my overnight oats with me today, so all is well and all is good. Hoping we can get a London high sweep and some sort of rejection. Even with SMT, that would be fine. I really need a wee. So, Hannah, could you, like, talk to people?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm coming. I will be here.
Hey, everyone!
I'm actually in a talkative mood today. If anyone was on the stream yesterday, I was in a terrible, terrible mood. So, yeah, but I've taken a trade this morning in London session. I'm very proud of myself, which is probably contributing to my good mood at the moment. How are we all today? Everybody's got the AC on, but I don't know if I'm a bit too cold for it. It's not exactly the warmest today. But yeah, what fibs has she got right now? I'm trying to use CapCut. Never used CapCut before, but here we are. Not really going anywhere. If you see a video and it's terribly edited later, it's just know that was my first time and I've tried my best. I have some stock to those at 8:30ish on NQ. How's that look for? Oh no, it's actually really cold in here. Well, I need to sort of draw these fibs on mine. Is there any others that I like? Why has she done it to there? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Do you have a bias coming into the session? I haven't actually looked yet. Actually, I could literally just look now. Let's have a look. I mean, it's not wrong if we can come up here and look for shorts down. We haven't taken London High yet. So once we've taken a session, presumably London High, then we can have a bias, but right now it's just a waiting game. Not Claudia. No, it's not Claudia. This is Hannah. Claudia's abandoned me, so I'm taking over my stream now. Yeah, just waiting. I don't even know if I'll take anything now today, because I've already taken a trade and I don't really want to. This is Hannah. I don't really want to take a loss at this fine moment.
Oh, she's in the hot seat.
I'm in the hot seat.
Really cold over there. Bloody boiling. What the heck? This is not Claudia. My bias right now is nothing. If we sweep London high and we see a rejection out of here, then I'd try and take the short. We've swept out Asia low. We've swept out a ton of sell side, to be fair. Swept out 2 Asia lows and lunch low. And we do have some buy side above us, but, you know, shorts is obviously a higher probability because we have just been kind of dumping. But we do have a ton of buy side above, and it's bank holiday tomorrow, so there's not going to be a ton of volatility. So there obviously is a chance that we could just take London high and continue higher, but if that's the case, then I probably won't get an entry. We also have news at 8:30, so if it's going to give me an entry, it needs to be pretty soon. Otherwise, it's going to be after news, and we'll just see what news brings us. But right now, I'm pretty neutral. I'm reacting to what the market gives us rather than predicting, and right now, I don't think anything is too obvious, especially because we have news. You're right. Yes, we were both on Luna's stream the other day. WXP, Hannah. What's the plan for NFP? True. I kind of forgot. Maybe we can full port a couple accounts. That would be fun. I have a couple Lucid Pros that I could full port for the vibes for NFP. But probably not going to trade pre-NFP. I'm assuming we're just going to chop around. So I'd like to just wait for NFP release, see what happens, and then kind of judge from there. Usually on days where we have 8:30 red folder, pre-market is not the cleanest, I'm going to be honest. But I might be surprised because tomorrow is a bank holiday, so maybe we are going to want to make some moves that we would usually make on a Friday. But I don't know, like NFP on a Thursday is kind of throwing me off. Feels weird. Feels kind of strange. Just join the Discord, let's go. We got a giveaway going right now on the Discord. Just check the announcements tab and you'll be able to see it. I also have a giveaway running on my X account. I'll put my X in the chat. Ooh, Alan, could we add that as a thing that you do? As like a chat, like promote my X in the chat and then like give the link to my X. You need the link, you know. Yeah, so that's my X username. I'm running a free giveaway over there. All you have to do is be following me and comment under the giveaway post, and then you can be entered. I'm giving away 2 Lucid accounts, so feel free to head over there and check that out. Yeah, exactly. Waiting for NFP right now is definitely going to be the method. For sure. Look at my magnet from yesterday's stream that didn't fucking work, by the way. We got break-evened. Yeah, I don't think the daily chart is very clear. The daily chart looks pretty indecisive right now. No. But to be fair, previous daily low was taken out on NQ and not on ES. But that's like the only sort of indication of which direction we're going to want to go in has given us. But that SMT was put in a little while ago. And we have had a bullish movement since. So I could honestly see us being bullish today, but I might be surprised. I could see it happening though. Yeah, we're inside a 4-hour bullish gap. Also, like, look at this like trend line sell side on ES. That is nice, but like I have no reason to say that we're gonna target that today. But there's definitely no way we're gonna just like leave that but that may be start of next week. That gets snatched, or even today we could manipulate and snatch that. I have no idea, but I could see us respecting this 4-hour gap, putting higher time frame SMT and coming up and taking out all of this session liquidity up here. I could see that potentially happening, or at least some of it. I have no idea. Today's a bit of a weird one because we have NFP on a Thursday and we have a bank holiday on a Friday. I don't really know how price is going to react. So obviously Friday, usually we either dump or like we have a big move on a Friday usually to try and usually some sort of reversal to finish the week and kind of take out the liquidity that's been built up over the week. But obviously the last day of the trading week is now today and we have NFP. So it's a bit of a weird one. I'm definitely going to be careful today because I don't think I'm too familiar with a day like this yet. Princess Hannah. Hello. Hi. My phone. Mm-hmm. There you go. Yeah, I don't think any direction is that clear right now, so we're just going to be patient. We can just vibe together until something interesting happens, I guess. I need to set up my trade syncar and my funded accounts together. Maybe we could pass a couple funded accounts on NFP today. That would be fun. Wouldn't that be fun? So fun. Groups. Just delete all of these. Not even a real eval I still have, I don't think. Oh yes it is actually. What do you want? I don't really know. LFE 53k. What is going on? How can I be at 53k balance on an evaluation? That makes no sense. That means it wouldn't be an eval anymore. Yeah, I've not updated my balance on it. Really weird. What is going on? Sometimes you just gotta delete your connection. Bye. There we go. Yes. What? How is my alpha only $14 in profit? I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Fully not. Bro took an 11-hour trade and is only $14 in profit. Are we being so real? I'm gonna film the trade recap for the trade I took yesterday, by the way. Oh, I literally am $14 in profit. Wow, that's really sad. Must have been in a decent amount of drawdown. I thought it was up like 200. Clearly not. That dog is not happy. Pet that dog. Can I pet that dog? Okay, yeah, that does make sense actually. Fair enough. Fair enough, I'll allow it. I still have a Tradeify account or not? I kind of forgot whether I have a Tradeify funded. I also have a funded with Alpha, but it's on Alpha Trader, and like, who can be asked with Alpha Trader? I can't even copy trade to that. So that's just going to be a funded account that we just like, I don't even know. I don't even know what to do with that. Okay, no, I thought I did. Oh. Yeah, that's weird. I'm gonna make a funded group and then an eval group. I think. Update. Boom. We edit and we do 0. And then we'll copy trade some Lucid Pro accounts. You can pass them one day. For NFP. Let me make those. Where is my stream chat? I have so many tabs open as usual. Sorry, let me read the chat. All the business lens says in the chat is any giveaway. Bro does not give a shit about how I'm doing. Expect sweep of London High. I could see it. ES is very close. Okay, let's get... How many Lucid Pros should I full port today? NFP's not as crazy as CPI, but also CPI has failed me too many times, to be honest. Recently. It really has. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, add. I always wanted more. How many accounts should we full port? I think we do like 2. I think anything more than 2 is kind of silly. On NFP. Okay. I always wanted more. Done. And then we'll do, okay, we'll do 2. We'll do 2. Why not? Let's be ballsy. I think any more than 2 is kind of silly on NFP. Especially after the last 3 CPIs I've tried to full port and it's been unsuccessful. Like, genuinely really unsuccessful. Got it. Okay. See who you wanna see. I wonder how much the Lucid direct to funded accounts are. I'm gonna have a look now. They are 25k direct to funded. $238. 50k is 364. Okay. Interesting. That's actually not bad. NFP is good for gold, really? Damn. What was the tweet about yesterday? What tweet? I posted like 5. I have no idea. I was really on it with Twitter yesterday. Really vibing. Heather is right here, yeah. Hey, sorry, I'm gone. Hey, she did it. Yeah, your Mac camera's low-key fine.
Oh no, that was.
Oh.
Connected to this one.
Anna's in the back doing some TA. What's TA? What does that mean? I have no idea what that means.
Something admin?
Yeah, I don't know.
You know when you're at school, you've got the TA, the team, the TA.
Teaching assistant. That means
Some sort of assistant?
I have no idea.
I don't know.
The lag is bad today. Yeah, he says YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. I don't know why. What's going on?
Doing this yesterday.
Was it?
Not on here, but like before we joined.
That's weird. I think my Wi-Fi is kind of bad. I'm installing an Ethernet cable this weekend, so next week my stream should be better. I don't know. I don't know. How is the stream on Discord, guys? Is it fine or is it laggy? Guys, how's the stream on Discord? Is it bad? Hello? No. The lag bad on here. Oh. Damn, it must be my Wi-Fi. I don't know what's going on. Oh, that's so annoying. I don't know why.
Help.
I forgot this. We're gonna try and do this.
I can stretch.
Okay. I can get in it. That'll be really.
Oh, what? Has it gone off completely?
Oh, what is going on? The fuck? Oh. Oh, it says excellent now. Is this better? It just like did something.
Maybe I had to reset.
Is this still bad? I'm sorry, it keeps cutting out. I don't know what's going on. How's this? How's this, guys?
Oh, no, that's on cable.
Yeah. Do you wanna see? Let's see if Discord is still connected. Discord's still connected. Slightly better now. Ugh! I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna try plug my Ethernet cable in. See if that does anything. Okay, right. That's one. What I of. It says excellent on YouTube now. Is it still really bad? What the heck? This looks confusing. Oh my god. What do I do with this? Oh god. Did that come off? Oh yes, right. I got it. Okay. Someone entertain in the chat.
Yes, he felt that. Where is it needing to plug? What? Hello, Wi-Fi. Please, please, come on. We are trying to stream right now, Wi-Fi. Let's try it. Oh wait, we're back on. Okay. That's creepy. Go away. Someone's being a gooner.
Use ChatGPT, can I plug an Ethernet?
Yes, you can. Very good.
Ethernet cable is currently in. Is this better? Yes, I think this is better. Tench. Is this good? Yay, it's better! Woo! Let's go. I think we might be so back. Whoop, whoop. I think we're better. I think we're better. Let me know in the YouTube chat if this is any better or not. I just plugged in my Ethernet cable. I think it's good now. All right, let's go. Yeah. Wow, that was stressful. I still see it in Discord. You still see what? Sorry. Oh, bless you. After the... Oh, you still see the lag in Discord? That's weird. I don't know why. Maybe if I do that and then I do that. Is that any better? How's that? Oh. I don't know. Doesn't seem to like it on Discord right now. Hmm. Hmm. It's better, I guess. Is it still not good on YouTube? I want to actually just join the stream from my phone so I can see. Let me look on YouTube right now. Kind of laggy now from YouTube. What? I'm gonna end the Discord stream for now. Because I don't know what's going on. Okay, I've just ended the Discord stream for now. Oh, what's going on? It was working fine and now it is not. Oh. Um. Something is taking your internet. Maybe I close a ton of tabs. TBH. Okay. Let me just keep this and then I can close all them tabs. Oh my god, I actually have so many tabs open, to be fair. Yeah, the stream template is like the least of my worries right now. I'm gonna be real with you. Could it be? This Ethernet should sort it out, but I probably have to do some other shit with it. Yeah. It's good now. It still says poor on here. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure this out like in my own time because yeah, this is really annoying me. I don't know whether I have to change things in OBS because I'm now on Ethernet. Should I not? Oh no. Connected. Okay, it says excellent on here now. Maybe we're good. Maybe we're good now. I think we're okay. I don't know why that just happened. I have no idea. It doesn't like Discord right now. But we can figure that out another time. For Discord, as long as we can do YouTube. Discord is not that deep. There's usually only like 10 people on Discord. Okay. I think we're back. I haven't traded today. Hannah took a W this morning though. Okay, we're so back. We're so back. Nice. Just keep it this way. Okay, I won't touch anything again. I promise. Yeah, it says delay 26 seconds on OBS, but I don't know how to change the delay. Anna is stealing your internet.
I'm on 4G.
My chart background color is this color, this light gray. Let's see if London High can get swept. We're only an hour away from NFP, so if I'm going to trade, I would probably take it on an eval, to be honest, if we do get any sort of setup. See who you wanna see. Yeah, I'm thinking it was to do with Discord, because now it seems okay, but I have no idea. I don't know why that would be the case, but Discord was bugging out for me this morning, so yeah. Who knows? Ah, I just hit 700 followers on X.
Oh, nice.
Let's go. I'm just gonna go and get a spoon for my overnight oats. I'm hungry.
Editing takes so long, guys. I can't do this.
I don't usually trade after 9:30, to be honest. I don't really like it. Guys, my cable management is... You guys see this? I don't know whether you can see. Thankfully you can't see, but I'm going to show you and then never show you.
Hazard.
Oh,
Just me.
do you guys see this? Let me show you behind me. I don't know whether I can show you.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to show my cable management. Yeah, it's really not great. It's seen better days, for sure. kind of talk us through this morning's win? Yeah. Okay, you take the wheel, you take the keyboard, you take the mouse, I'll show up. There we go. Find it. Y'all. There we go. Okay, so I was up here, and I basically what we were saying yesterday was, yeah, if Asia, say, or whatever, or a session is swept early, probably anticipating it to come lower, and we had SMT at this point with ES. ES had not swept Asia low yet. However, London had. So I was kind of just waiting around, blah, 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 blah. Then I saw, was it this? Hold on. No. What did I have? Is it a 5 minute? That dog is really unhappy. Wow. Oh my god, your chart. Oh, your charts. I might have to just like, hold on. This one. Oh, then this one. What the fuck? This one. Okay, yeah, that's one. And then is it a 1 minute? Sorry guys, I will carry on talking in a sec. And then I need another one lining up and I can't find what I had. No, that is also not. Wasn't that? A 2.5 somewhere. Alright guys, just to save 10 minutes. So I had a 2.5 and a -4 in a rejection zone down here. And then because ES was a lot stronger, I decided to come over to ES. And I then marked out from here to here. So we are usually looking for 2 green candles or 2 displacement candles. At this point, this candle here was more of a green candle. It created this high and then it came back down. And then it put me in here. So then I took a long position from there, got on the -3 and something that was in this other fib that I can't find, and targeted. Something's wrong. What did I have it on? I had there. It would have been here. So a -3.3.5 maybe was literally here. So I just created a bit more room because that stop otherwise is quite small. What did I do? What? I literally got me in here. I'll have to show you on my own laptop. Yes. And it was like a 4, and it literally tapped me there, and then it went again. So if it didn't get me in there, I would have probably been break even. I held my stop to about here, so I would have been stopped in a little bit of profit. But yeah, that was basically it. That was a terrible explanation, but I hope you kind of followed along. Yeah, with another confluence, we had the SMT, and then we also created a new one here. And then, yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Did we like?
Very nice. I ate my oats while you were explaining.
I'm also not close to passing my email. No, actually, I'm back up to break even again, so it's fine. But I wasn't until this morning. So yeah.
You have to journal, by the way. Yes, I took a winning trade, but I broke my rules.
Yeah, I will. What's my rule broken?
Because we agreed yesterday on this trade, you should have just risked the whole 700.
Oh, what about that?
But even if you didn't, 500.
Yeah. Yeah, I have a big thing about yeah, I have a weird thing about hesitation and then also not wanting to lose. I still have a big thing about scared to lose. So I risked like a tiny amount.
Yeah.
When I should have really been risking that. Okay. Let me write that in my Ridzella.
Because how much were you in? How much were you in drawdown?
1,000.
So you would be 500 in profit, and you wouldn't have even needed to hold it for 4 hours.
I know. I had it at the high. Was I doing that on NQ just then? No, I was doing it on ES.
No, you were doing it on ES, yeah.
Anyway, so I think like this high, I think I
Yeah.
was gonna take it off there because that was 3R. And then I was like, no, I need more.
Right, you have to do all that as well.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Okay, anyways, where are we at? Still not swept London High. Just waiting to do anything interesting. And but we got 2 accounts full bought, so I ain't complaining. Trader.com.
Oh, what's that?
My clock is out of sync.
Excuse me.
What? No idea what it's on about. Manage groups. Manage groups. NFP. Gonna add this one and this one. I think. Right. Alright, please tell me how this number and this number are different. Oh, no, never mind, I got it. Right. Really confusing me. LF, right. Save. Just see if this actually works. Let's just go on a. Let me show you my trader bait. You can see what's going on. I'm just messing around with my NFP group. Let's just go on MNQ and just buy one so I can see whether it copy trades or not. Total. Oh yeah, you have to do it. Wait, no, I just want to buy.
The fill.
Right, so that is open. That is open. Okay, right, we're fine.
The fill.
So let me check that they're closed on both. Okay, we're fine. We sorted our little copy trading. Group out for NFP. W.
I don't use bookmark. No. Gamer to trader pipeline. Yeah, literally. Literally. I love... Oh, okay. London High has been swapped. Boom. Swap to this. Guys, look at this. It's capped this funded account, which is blown. But, like, it doesn't let me place orders, but it's just still there. I don't know why. Weird. I know, it's really weird. Okay, I don't want to take this on a funded account if we do see a rejection, because I'll just be silly. But I'd be happy to give this a shot on an eval. If we get a rejection out of my rejection zone right now, because we have S&T also. See. Is Hannah trading too? Yeah, she's here. I'm here. She's here. She's already taken a dub though. Claudia, during your full plot, you have to have your position already open like 2 to 3 minutes before news, else any limit order wouldn't work. That's such a good idea. Maybe I should try that. That's a really good idea. Do you mean like set my limits before, or like already be in a trade before? That's kind of a good idea though. I respect that. From Morocco, that's awesome. I want to go to Morocco. Why don't you use order flow? I don't know. I just trade ICT. That's it. That's all I need in life. ICT, no. See if we can get 2 bearish candle rejection out of this area. And I shall take the trade. Ugh, I'm like debating, do I take this on my fundeds? But I'm thinking no. Any trade where I'd be annoyed at myself if it loses, that is one that I don't take on my fundeds. And I would be annoyed if this loses because we are 50 minutes before NFP. But I still like the setup and it's still valid as long as we get another bearish candle. That's pretty good so far. I'm gonna take this. I want to take this and risk like a decent amount, because why not? Ooh, we didn't close bearish. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Honestly, waiting for the bearish close of 2 candles has saved me so many times. Okay, now NQ's come up to this 2.5. So if we see the 2 bearish candles now, I'd still take the trade. Still trading outside of my little rejection box, so I don't mind it. Yeah, I'm not taking anything on my fundeds till after red folder, but the model, if the model presents, I will still take, but not on the fundeds, because I would be annoyed at myself if it lost. I mean, the biggest issue with trading before red folder is just the lack of volatility. Like, there's been so many times where I've entered a trade pre-red folder, especially something like NFP, and prices just chopped around and it's not really moved anywhere. Which is what I'm worried about, because I would want to be like out the trade for NFP. Like, I would just close out no matter where I'm at, because you can just get you can get slipped really bad on high volatility candles, as I've found out from Trump candles.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, I don't trade YM. I find it confusing having too many assets going on. I think I definitely would in the future though. But just not right now. Still in our little rejection box. So I'd still be happy to take if we get that 2 bearish candle closure. So we're gonna take London high on NQ also. I could take a look at gold in a minute. I'm just potentially gonna take something on an eval, so bear with. Bourbon or custard cream? That's actually the hardest question ever.
Custard cream any day of the week.
You think so?
Yeah. You can eat like one bourbon and then it's a bit much.
Oh my gosh, no, I used to get home from school and eat like a whole packet of bourbons. Like,
No way.
yeah, literally. I just want some copyright free background music on. Oh, it's not catching my output. I don't know. Audio output. Okay, there we go. Let me know if the background music is too loud, too quiet, whatever. And I can turn it up or down. Okay, bang. That's London. I taken on NQ.
Wonderful.
Why are you not replying to my message? I didn't see your message. This is my rejection zone on NQ. We have two 2.5s from the low put in after the London kill zone, so I'd want to see the 2 bearish candles like pretty much now, and then if not, then I think this is invalidated, and then we can wait till NFP and see if we can get a funded account. So I'm not looking at gold right now. I'll have a look and tell you my analysis in a minute, but I don't personally trade gold, so I would take it with a pinch of salt. Alright, if we get a bearish close on this candle, I will take an entry. NPC music. It's hard to find copyright-free music, I'm not gonna lie. The sessions indicator is called ICT kill zones and pivots. It's this one. It's free, it's really good, I like it.
Finally downloaded the desktop app of Trading View on my thing. I've never had that before.
Really? I prefer it so much.
I didn't even realise it was a thing.
I'd never be able to find it because I always have 10 million tabs open. This on ES is high key invalidated for me now. I'm gonna leave these fibs and try and find some sort of the rejection zone. I don't know. Write this rejection on ES so far from this 2.5 and this -4 from the low of London. See. Get the bearish close. I'm gonna take that. Stop low at the -1.5. Doesn't look like we're gonna get the bearish close there. We are not gonna get the bearish close, okay? Hey, Kyle. Guys, I can't read the chat all the time if I'm looking at the charts also. That's kind of what we're here for.
We can't win.
I know I can't win. When I'm like not looking at the charts whatsoever and I'm just vibing with the chat, everyone's like, oh, you're not focusing on trading. And then when I'm actually focusing on trading, everyone's like, oh, you're not reading my messages. I'm like, right, so what should I do then? Just like die? Not to be dramatic or anything, but hey, AJ. Yo, queen. Yo, queen. You going shopping, like food shopping or like fun shopping?
Humans.
AJ.
Such a queen for coming on even for 5 minutes. Cute.
In it. Yeah, this PA is dead. You have to look at Nvidia because that moves NQ. Whatever moves NQ, I've never looked at Nvidia in my life. I just solely trade technical analysis, I'm afraid. I'm afraid to tell you. I like this. We kind of have an AMD, we have S&T, we have rejection out of rejection zone, we got the 2 bearish candles potentially, so it's very nice. The only drawback is the fact that we're so close to
Time's it? Is it at 8:30?
yeah, it's at 8:30. I'm gonna set a limit just in case. Yeah, that's nice. Wait for the closure before I set that limit. Okay. Oh! Forgot I can only do 4, I think. So sad. Oh wow, I can only do 3. Wow. Like $2. I can do more than 3 minis on a flippin' eval. What? What is that about? Clearly not. I'm actually risking like nothing. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. The vibe with it. Just dragging my sell limit. My rejection zone on ES, that's really clean. Look at that. What we gotta do now is get filled. Got this, twin. You got this, twin. Thanks, AJ. I'm from the UK. This setup is high key like really A+, but I'm so sad that NFP is in half an hour. Otherwise this would definitely be a funded account. Full pot. Kidding, but still. We have every confluence possible. Every single confluence in the whole book of confluences from Claudia and Hannah Trades. Please increase trade window size. What do you mean? Is that better? Is that better for you? You know the VIX effect, thank you. Dude, please stop. Please. Please stop it. Usually stream until around 9:30 and then I hop off. I don't like to trade after 9:30 really, to be honest. I'm full putting an eval for NFP, but I'm not. I'm trading an eval right now because we're so close to the NFP. Please. This is high-key a nice setup if we get filled at 8 o'clock. Our limit is below the consequent encroachment of the wick, so it makes sense. I'm not looking at stocks, please. I've said this. Please. Leave me alone. I got a 2-candle rejection. Well, it was actually 3-candle rejection outside of my rejection zone after a session sweep. We also have AMD here, so our distribution would be our trade. And we have S&T as well. So those are like all the confluences I could possibly need. I am taking this on an evaluation only, not my funded accounts, because we have NFP in half an hour. So there is a chance it could just chop around, and if it does, then it won't matter if it's on an eval, but I would be pissed off at myself if I took this trade on a funded, even though this in my eyes is really A+. If I took this on a funded, I would be annoyed because we're so close to NFP and I know what price sometimes can do before NFP, so yeah. There's enough volume in pretty much any session. You could trade any session and make money. Like we just had a 150 point move up on NQ. Like if that's not enough volume, I don't know what is. Oh, this is just going without me. Damn it. Right, now that we have the hourly, I'm definitely gonna have my stop loss at the hourly high, because if we take that, then like we're just cooked, aren't we? Good morning from the US. Good morning from the UK. I'm not trading right now. I've already traded this morning. I'm just on my phone. We had a London high sweep. Sometimes I just come on here to see how far you've came, and there it was, everything you just said. What do you mean? Is that a compliment or an insult? I have no idea.
I think that's a compliment.
Okay, great. I don't know. I have no idea what I just said. I just said one of the most stupid things ever. Nah. Surely not. Surely not. Oh gosh.
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I'm not in a trade. I have limits set though at 0.618, so we'll see.
On its way.
What ICT did you watch? I've watched 2022 and a ton of the core content. What the hell is that bug? What the hell? Oh, we're coming up. Alright, we're in the trade. Yay! Oh, actually put a stop loss, that would be good.
Oh god.
Stop loss would be fire. There's my break even at 1R.
Not doing 1.5.
Yeah, and this one because it's quite a big range. Oh yeah, we changed it yesterday anyway, did we? Change our mind. I mean, whether this plays out or not, I'm definitely on the right side with the right asset. Which is nice. Alright, we have SMT now. SMT needs to save us, otherwise we're cooked. I don't really like this that much. I wouldn't have wanted us to come that far into the hourly wick, realistically. So our consequent encroachment is right here. And I'd want to at least see bodies respecting that, which we're just not having. But, yeah. That's the consequent encroachment of our 15-minute wick, and I think that's kind of our last leg in the sand, and obviously the SMT that we've just put in. I like how our bodies have closed below this consequent encroachment. But I think if we don't sort of reject from here, then we're probably gonna get good. TBH.
We got this.
You got this, twin. We should put in equal highs. Right, we're so good.
God damn.
God damn. Yeah, bro, just put in equal highs, sure. Really, ooh, that's great. I love that. I love it when that happens, honestly. Me personally, I love that. How we're still in this, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
Good job you went a tick above, otherwise you would be out.
Yeah. Come on, just take me out already. You know what I love? I love it when price leaves relative equal highs one tick away from my stop loss. That's what I absolutely adore.
Yeah.
I love it when that happens.
So lit.
That is so lit.
I love the cortisol.
Yeah, holy cortisol's back. We have this -4 on NQ. I need it to play out right now. I really do. It's our only hope. Come on. I don't want to watch this. Okay. Oh yeah, just add another high to the stack of equal highs that we have by my stop loss. That's great. Yeah, that's great. I love it when that happens. I don't know how I'm still in this. Like, I'm genuinely baffled on how I'm still in this trade. Like, hilarious. Oh, it's actually just messing with me now. It really is. There's no way we're gonna leave 3 relative equal highs on ES, but I really don't believe it. Actually, just edging my stop loss forever. This is why we don't trade funded accounts right before NFP, because price is actually, like, I'm convinced a market maker is tuned into the stream right now and is actually just trolling me.
Are you still in?
We have 4 wicks. All equal highs 1 point away from my stop loss.
Oh my gosh.
Like, someone is watching the stream right now and is just clicking buttons and it's just like taking the piss. Real.
Oh my gosh, this is painful.
This is so painful. Like, extremely painful. Come on, bro, just do it already. Please. I can't bear this anymore. Oh, we've added another high to the stack. This should be it now. There we go. Okay, fair enough. Kind of anticipated that. We didn't see a lick of profit on the trade. But that's okay.
But it was a good trade so far.
Yeah, that was a very, very, very valid eval trade. I was half convinced to take it on a funded, so I'm happy that I didn't. To be honest. We definitely went with the right asset. We had every confluence under the sun, but we're very close to NFP. So, I'm happy with that. Very happy with that. Who would win in a fight, Hannah or Claudia? What do you think? Yeah, defo Hannah, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, this is fine. I'm definitely gonna journal this because this is a very A+ setup that didn't play out.
An independent shit. Just a polo. You know the brand polo? I don't know. It's one of those. Usually my pajama top, but I'm putting it on today.
Get this off now. Sell stop would have saved you. This was a sell stop. I didn't have a buy limit there. Okay, this is fine. I'm not mad at that at all. I did everything correctly.
You did.
Okay. Get rid of this. Let's see where we are in terms of some fib projections. So I can have those on my chart pre-NFP. Because I still anticipate NFP to respect fib projections because I've seen it so many times. Not that I would take a trade before NFP just due to me seeing a fib projection. That would be silly, but I still anticipate them to get respected. Just maybe bigger ones are needed for the volatility. Okay, we have a -4 lining up with true day open, which is nice. And we got no. Oh, we have a 2.5 too. Okay, this is nice. Yeah. NFP, we may just like tank higher. As I said, we have a ton of buy side. Rest and above. The price keeps showing you the bullish signs, but you keep trading emotion. All right. I'm going to show you the trade that I took yesterday, and I know you would have said the exact same thing, but then when it played out, I wouldn't have heard a word from you. I just know it. If I was streaming yesterday, I just know it. Where's yesterday's link? Yeah, there. I took this trade yesterday. You see this? You see this? We have dumped 300 points. And I decided to buy. Right there is where I bought, right there. And I have my... Oh no, I did this on ES. Hold on. Okay, let's go to yesterday. Okay, so we have a 56-point dump on ES, which is insane. And then I decided to buy right here. And I have my stop loss right here. And I took this all the way up to... Oh no, I must have bought it lower down. I took this like all the way up to these highs, these equal highs. Slightly lower for 11R. I took this trade for 11R yesterday. And I just know if I had taken this buy right there, you would have said, oh, you're trading emotions. Like, no, I'm trading a strategy that I have personally backtested myself. And people who come into people's chat and is like, oh, you're trading emotions. How can you possibly know whether someone is trading their strategy or their emotions just based on what you think is going to happen? Everybody loves to tell you what's happened after it's already happened. Like, you're telling me, oh, it's bullish after you've seen me lose a short. Like, yeah, I can tell you it's bullish now too. I can see green candles. Anyone who has never looked at a chart before can tell you, yeah, that looks like it's going up, because it is going up. You can just see it. But do you take higher time frame imbalances into trade consideration? Like, I'll see for higher time frame context to see whether it like makes sense within my trade, but like I wouldn't not take a trade due to one, but it would act as an extra complement if that makes sense. I understand there's new highs and new lows, but I'm a reversal trader, so that's always going to be the case no matter what execution I take, you know? If you're a continuation trader, you should be looking for lower lows and lower highs if you're trying to short, but I'm not a continuation trader. I'm a reversal trader on the 1 minute time frame. Of course I'm going to see higher highs and higher lows before shorting. That's like the whole point of my model. That's what I want to see. If I want to see an AMD play out, which is what I was looking for here, because we've accumulated in this area, we've gone back and forth. I want to see that manipulation which we had into my rejection zone, which I had drawn out prior, and then I see my rejection out of this zone. I expect this to be my distribution, so I took my entry. So if you're trading AMD especially, you want there to be higher highs and higher lows before your entry, because that's meant to be your manipulation. And it is manipulated. Stay away from her. That's so funny. That's me. Claudia is a better trader than I can definitely say that. Not better, because better points to like skill, but I've just been trading for longer.
Yeah, you've got more experience.
Yeah. What was I gonna say? Also, this is something I was talking to Luna about on the Prop Firm Match stream. So, a lot of people who come onto the stream are usually beginner traders, and I felt the exact same way also at the start of my trading journey. I really like felt precious about evaluations. Like I felt very precious about those. So I understand why people can't wrap their head around the fact that me taking a setup on an eval is very different to me taking a setup on a funded account. If I had taken that setup on a funded account 20 minutes before NFP, I would expect everyone in the chat to shout at me, and they would be completely correct. Like, no doubt about it, like, you're correct. I shouldn't have taken that. But I factored in the fact that NFP is in 20 minutes. Why would I trade my funded account? That's kind of silly, because I could be in the trade. Like, yesterday I was in the trade for 2 hours. So I might not have even been break even yet. I don't want that to even be a possibility on my funded accounts, which is why I took it on an eval. And to me, like, I'm not precious about evaluations whatsoever. Like, I'll risk $1,000 per trade on an eval because I want to go heavy with those and either pass or fail them. I'll take any setups which aren't AA plus on an eval. Sorry.
Okay.
Have you tried your model without waiting for confirmation and trusting your analysis? I have, and the thing is, I understand what you're saying, because I could have bought here like 6 points already and been break even. But my point is, if that had been the case and I just like entered at my rejection zones, I just had limits there and I didn't wait for confirmation, I would have been stopped out down here, because I had a rejection zone right here initially. So I would have got stopped out right there, which is why I have the confirmation. Make a trade on a live account or you're a pussy. I don't believe in that at all. I don't think there's any difference. You just have more money than us. Like, I haven't seen consistent FOMO on this challenge, on this channel. What do you mean by that? we got NFP in 6 minutes. I need to set up my trade debate full port. I'm hoping I can pass this for some dopamine. Okay. People were saying I should get into the trade like before. Are you looking to buy? I have no idea what I'm looking to do, to be honest.
But I'm not allowed.
I think I'm just gonna set limits like I usually do, honestly, because I don't really... Why does it not let me do this? I hate this dashboard, it's really annoying. Zoom out. Zoom out, like, any sort of points. Why does it not let me scroll up? Sorry, let me just do this on here and make it bigger so you guys can see what's going on. I want to do more points above, but I can't see above. Hello? Alright, whatever. So we're at 159, so I want to do, like, a buy stop. I don't know the max amount of minis I can use on a lucid. Let me check. Max size 4 minis. Alright. We do... Here. Oh no, I have to do 8. I forgot. I have 2 accounts. Or... And we do some, like... Okay. We got him. I want to zoom in a bit. It's really freaking small. Hello? Let me zoom in. It won't let me zoom in. Okay, well that's okay. I don't know how to use this platform, honestly. I really don't.
It's like... That looks like rocket science.
It really is. Do. We got the full port method on the go. Let's see what happens. We got a while to the release. We still got like 3 minutes. Market execute just before. Do you think so? Do you think I should do that? Do you think I should market execute? Like, should I buy or sell though? Should I just try buying?
Yeah.
Like, NFPs usually bullish. Let me just Google. Oh, it's not gonna tell me. I'm just gonna leave my limits, and if I don't get filled, it just like is what it is. Like, I'm not really that bothered. I'm hoping less people will be full porting on NFP and it'll be slightly less volatile, so we might actually get something. Is what I'm hoping. This guy's so jarring in the chat. This is why you're going to stay on prop and not make it to live.
Oh,
Bro,
shut up.
like, I could open a live account if I really wanted to. I could really open a live account right now, but I just don't want to. This is just a bit of fun. I don't recommend this to anyone, but it's kind of fun. Alright, we're 1 minute away. I'm gonna just leave these here and wait for the best, I guess. Still got 30 seconds. 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Let's go, champs. Go. Let's see if we can get some accounts past that. Would be hella lit. Fifteen seconds, 15 seconds. Okay. All right.
Stop field.
Okay. We're in. Up 2K. We're nearly there.
Order filled.
Hi. W44. Let's go. That's so slay. Let me check that I passed them both. We did. We passed them both. Let's fucking go. Let's go, team. We passed them with 1.7k extra also. So good. Oh, let's go. That's nice. Okay, that's made me feel better than my eval loss. Alright, let's draw some fibs on here now that we've had NFP release. I wanna see where we're at. W full port. Okay, I like this area right here that we're in. Kinda nice. W. Okay, NFP might be the new method. Fuck CPI. CPI was so bad. Oops. Large box. This is kind of nice. Kind of nice though. Look at the move on gold. I'll have a look in a mo. I don't like that we've left these equal highs as well as lunch high, otherwise this is mean. Why do you prefer it on EF? want to see if we put in an SMT. Some sort. I do kind of like this though. I just don't like the equal highs that we've left on NQ. We can snatch that on NQ. Okay.
Oops, we got some FMT going.
We do.
Oh,
Alright, that's lunch high snatch. If we can hold this SMT and see 2 bearish candles, I'll be looking. Yeah, for sure. It doesn't look like this is gonna hold. No, okay. Okay. Swept out data high. No. This rejection zone has been invalidated, and so has this. So I want to find a different rejection zone. This -4 is still okay. But I want to find something from London low in close proximity. That would be nice. These 2 4s. I prefer it on NQ. I like that 2.5. Nice. I prefer this on the end. We can get another bearish candle close. If we can get 2 bearish candle closes in a row, then I'm gonna take this. See what we get.
Let's not do that.
I see a bearish candle closure, otherwise I will not take this. We did not get a bearish candle closure. We technically did, but I don't like a doji. I don't want a doji. That means I have a minute to go and pee, because we haven't had a bearish closure. I'll be back. Oh yeah, I'll run a giveaway when I'm back.
I'm using my phone because I don't want to trade anymore today. I'm just taking my bit and leaving it. I'm on a 1 trade a day ban at the moment, I think. I don't want to overtrade or anything, not that maybe like 2 trades would be over trading, I suppose, but I'm just trying to pass this eval and it's annoying me now that I keep losing. So yeah, that's why I'm just on my phone. You know, getting the next bearish candle. No, not what she wants. She's trying to short, isn't she? I'm so out of it over there. You're kind of short right now, aren't you? Okay.
Oh, okay. If we get this closure, then I want to take it. Be a large stop loss, but we got a lot of volatility. Might only be able to do like 2 micros, but that's fine. Low risk on this one because we're so volatile, so I can't really risk a ton of micros. I don't want to risk 3 micros because then it's too much. But yeah, 2 micros is small, which I'm happy with because it's kind of volatile. That hasn't rebalanced. No! What's up? I would have got filled right there. Damn it! Okay, I would have got filled. I drew my thing wrong. Okay, let me just see. This is still an okay amount. Go for it. Go, go, go. Right, I would have got filled there, so I'm just moving that. Because I drew my rebalance imaging wrong. We're still not risking. Still not over risking, so it's all good. We just got a worse fill than I would have got before, but that's fine. That's our 1R. I just wanna... Is my entry... Should have been... Yeah, I got where my entry should have been anyway, so... Oh. this. Definitely on side with the right asset again, which is nice. That's something I've been trying to get better at, because I've been stopped out quite a few times just due to S&T, and it's been really annoying, and then it just ran without me. So, yeah. There's 4. See if we can catch the shorts to rebalance this whole range. Whole range from here to here is imbalanced. So, okay, we have a 0.5 intraday open. Is like 2R in. So, yeah. We were up $67. 6,700. Oh, you're kidding me.
Oh, is it not?
No. My copy trade didn't work. That's so sad. Really sad. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Loki forgot. How do you even like link it? If you create a new group, you have to like press on, and I always forget. That is my issue. I like the shorts from here. We have bearish S&T with lunch high. The reason why I've shorted NQ over ES, even though the bearish S&T is playing in ES's favor, is just because I've been doing a lot of art study, and I've found that it's better to trade the asset, which is rejecting out of cleaner fibs, than just whichever one looks more bearish. So that's what I'm going for. But we'll see. Anna, you need to get your own setup in Claudia's office for real. She needs her own desk and everything.
Yeah, we'll just split the rent over somewhere. Enjoying you.
Yeah.
In that corner over there.
Yeah, literally. Hoping we can get a strong hourly close on this candle. And obviously this SMT holding would be so ideal. Great to play out, but we'll see. We have 11 minutes till the hourly close. So I'm hoping we can close with like a strong top wick. But we'll have to see.
Nice.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, there's something in it.
Yeah, it's gone a bit bloodshot.
Help!
Help! Let's do a giveaway soon. Just not right Not yet. I don't like running them when I'm like in the middle of a trade, but we can run it either when I'm at break even or at stop loss, either or. We'll do a giveaway. It might absolutely run, you know? Yeah, you never know. I think we just put in an SMT there. Good. I don't have the indicator on this. I don't think. Oh, I do. Oh, it's just not working. Okay. Oh, it's because I have it putting Q rather than yes. There we go. It should show up now.
This is me practicing no FOMO by sitting and watching you in trades. Because like I really want to be in.
You're not gonna feel the FOMO unless it starts, you know, going towards break even in profit.
No, right now I still feel it. Like I want to like that's bad. Isn't
I
it?
wouldn't feel FOMO right now.
I don't know why I do.
Just chopping back and forth.
Yeah, it's not great right now, but I can still feel it. I can still feel it lingering.
Okay.
Because I can see potential. Like, look what it's gonna do right now. It's gonna go. Woof.
Hasn't broken below any lows or highs.
It's gonna go. Woof. I'm being positive thinking here.
No, I know you're being positive. I love the positivity.
Thanks.
Positivity.
I do try.
She tries.
Minus yesterday, I didn't try.
Yeah, I know.
Yesterday, I was literally like a little devil sat in here.
Honestly, just look at the stream from yesterday. It's so funny. And it was in a bad way.
I was fuming.
The loss that we took yesterday was honestly the most stupid loss ever. I had just drawn my fib wrong. Like, I'd just drawn it to the wrong candle and thought we were having a rejection from a valid fib when we just weren't.
And I had a different one. Like, we both had the other one, but then I was trying to find this other one that she had. I was like, oh, right, well, it's gonna be fine. Like, we know how to draw a fib, so
Yeah.
I'll just enter, it'll be okay. Okay, is it? Never doing that ever again.
Oh, it's so funny. We made a new low. That's the only progress we've had so far. Right. Accumulating right now. As long as I'm break even before 9:30 or stop loss, then I don't really care. Either or. But if I'm still in the trade at 9:30 and I'm not either break even, then I'm gonna be really sad.
Yeah.
Because that is the worst. I will buy 2 Lucid 50k for tomorrow, willing to use code Claudia. Hey, there you go. You'll be entered. So I'm doing a giveaway inside my Discord tomorrow, and I'm also doing one on my X account tomorrow. So make sure to follow me on X and join the free Discord so that you can be within the chance to win. The giveaway that I'm doing on X, you don't have to have bought anything. It's completely free. I'm just trying to build up a following on X because I don't really use it. So I'm trying to do that. All right, I'm moving my stop to break even now at 1 hour in profit, which I'm happy about. Very happy to move the stop loss at this point. Profit, I'm gonna move it to that high right there just so that we don't end up with a negative P&L. So yeah, the one on X is completely free to enter. I'm just trying to build up my following on there, but the one in the Discord, you have to have used my code at checkout for Lucid. And if you guys didn't already know, all of my affiliate commissions that I gain from Lucid, like within this month, So I started it like 2-3 weeks ago, so there's only like a week left now. That all being donated to charity. So you can see my Instagram highlights about that. Under my prop firm highlight on Instagram, you can see all the details and stuff. I also posted the details on my YouTube posts and on X, I think. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just to give back a little bit, I suppose. Okay, so 2R. I'm probably going to trail my stop when we rebalance to 0.5. Just because we have true day open also. I'm just going to say trail stop loss a little bit at that point. Then at 3R. I'm so sad this hasn't copy traded. This is really, really annoying. I don't know. Someone's alarm is going off. I apologize if you can hear that. I'm gonna take one partial right there at 3R. Wow, this is flying. Told you. Positivity. Yeah. We're flying. Don't get happy too soon. And you never know what could happen. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna take one micro off at 3R and then final profit at trailing stop loss at 0.5, which is also the same spot as midnight open, so that has potential to reverse our trade. I'll probably only trail it to just this swing high right here, but where are the haters now? For real, they all disappear. We can see FX. Yeah, fuck. Maybe stop loss. Maybe not though. Maybe not though. Alright, I'm gonna trail my stop into a little bit more profit. Nothing too drastic, just so I can give it some room. But yeah, I'm gonna just trail it right there. Wow, this thing's flying so far. I'd love us to keep up that momentum. That would be brilliant. No, keep going, Queen. You got this. Yeah, I feel like I've seen a ton of progress in my trading recently. Yeah. Draw some there. Yeah, I'd honestly be happy to trail my stop to this candle high because it's above 0.79, so if this leg gets invalidated, then I wouldn't be interested in being in the trade anymore anyway. Yeah. Hoping we can get like a decent bearish candle through the 0.5 and midnight open. I expect a slight rejection from here because it just is a key level, but I'm hoping we can still go all the way to rebalance, to be honest. Music's a bit loud. Piano in the back of my mind, like, it's really annoying me. Okay, we're coming to 8:30. Price on NQ. We've already flown past that on ES. You see what I mean? So, on paper, ES looks weaker, right? Because we have this S&T with lunch high. But NQ is reacting out of cleaner fibs, which is why I took this on NQ. And as you can see, NQ has flown past 8:30 open faster than ES. So it's actually source that I discovered myself. Claudia giveaway is coming once we hit TP. Sorry, I did say when we're at break even, but I forgot that I'm recording the stream right now, and I'm gonna want to clip this, so I have to keep it on the screen. So we'll do the giveaway once we're out the trade. Alan, are you in the trade? Let's fucking go. Alan's in the trade. Is he? I think so. Hey. Alan's pounds in the trade. Let's go.
That's fucking
Dubs in the chat. Oh, look at this 1 hour candle close, guys. That is so unbelievable. Oh, wow. Absolutely wow. That's really nice. I love that.
just what we want to see.
That is just what we want to see. I'm not partialing, I've just trailed my stop into profit a little bit. That's all. Alright, let's see this hourly closure. Oh, that is so fire. That is so fire. Right, where is consequent encroachment? That's CE of the hourly wick, which is right below our trailed stop, so I'm happy with that. Alright, we just rebalanced this leg, which was imbalanced, with this wick. I like that wick, that's really nice. That's our hourly candle open. We got our open high. Hopefully we can low close. Of course, pay the trader. I pay the trader at 3R always. You have to stick to your method. Even if this reverses back to my trailed stop, I'll still make a little bit of profit and I'll be happy that I stuck to my system. I come up with my system from going through old charts and seeing what overall, over a big series of data, not just one day, makes the most money. And I find that taking half my position off at 3R, the rest off at 4R, makes more money than me just partialing whenever I feel a little bit emotional and I see a green candle, right? You have to have a system on where to partial, otherwise I will partial too early. I'll see one green candle and be like, right, I want to take some off. You know, that's what you have to tell yourself. Even if I get stopped in profit on the trade, I executed my plan correctly, so I have done the best I can, you know? Hey! Hello! I've just explained why I'm not taking profit. I just explained to you. play. No, I definitely don't have an affiliate code for what the hell? I want to see us push through this wick. An encroachment of this wick. One thing that I have noticed that I honestly don't like is that we have this. We have this 2.5 lining up with 0.618, which I'm really not enjoying. I'm gonna be honest. I don't want to ditch my plan and just like act emotionally because I've seen that there's a 2.5 and a 0.618. Like if my plan's gonna play, it's gonna run for full TP. But what I can do is I can trail one out a little bit earlier and then keep my original contract, my original trail where it was. So then we can at least bank like 0.5R if it wants to come up to here, you know? I think that's the best play. I don't want to act emotionally from something that I've seen after the fact. But that protects me a little bit because I still, you know, I'll still end up with 0.7R from the trade. Just better than nothing. So I think that's the best course of action right now. Okay, we're very close to my my limit now, my partial limit. This is now going to become 2, considering how close we are to that limit. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Happy with that. So we've at least banked 1R on the trade, if not more. We'll see. For real, I'm not keen on how the bodies are respecting the midnight opening price on ES right now. But I just have to trust the process. I've banked 1R already. Have my stop trail to 1R. That's all I can really do. I've made $200 and we'll either make more or we'll make $200. And I'm pretty happy with that. Win is a win. A win is a win. For real. I haven't taken any off, but I have my stop trail to 1R, so I've at least made $200. So you can just have it in your head that I've taken profit. I know you're giving me a warning, but I have a system that I want to follow. And that's that. I have 18 minutes till 9:30, so I'm happy with that. Eat. Oh yeah, we have to eat. We had breakfast.
Yeah.
Horrific song. Yeah, I know that song was really intense. It was actually really bothering me and I didn't even notice until you've just said that. Like, it really was bothering me. I actually can't win. Like, I'm in a losing trade and everyone's like, why did you take that? I'm in a winning trade and everyone's like, oh, you should close the trade.
Yeah, what?
Like, dog. What?
Stop that.
Let me hit my trade in peace. Let me decide my rules in peace. This isn't alpha funded. I was meant to be copy trading my 2 fundeds, but it didn't. Flipping forgot to press on. That's very sad. You're gonna tell them to pump it? What a snake.
Not very nice.
Yeah, that's not very nice, you snake. We have another SMT. Damn. This is an Alpha Zero, I think. Let me check. Yeah, an Alpha Zero. I don't know what their rules are like at the funded stage. Let's have a look. No, I just need like alphafutures.com type vibe. Not trading. Oh no. The Zero account at the funded stage. View qualified rules. Qualified rules. You need 5 minimum trading days. 40% consistency rule, max payout of $1,500. That's kind of ass. But anyways, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, 5 winning days, 40% consistency, but max payout is 1.5k. But whatever. No, the person next to me is not my cousin. She's my girlfriend. Yep. I'm gonna be wife. Oh yeah. I want to run the Lucid giveaway. Price needs to head to my partial right now. My favorite prop firm is defo Lucid. For sure. I think they're everyone's favorite. This is a 50k Alpha Zero account I'm trading on right now. I was meant to copy trade it with my 50k Lucid Flex funded, but I forgot to click on TradeSyncer because I'm silly. So yeah, this is just on one account, sadly. Dangy dang. No, it's so sad. Oops, I just put 5 in the chat. I'm gonna go on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, we have 10 minutes till market open. No matter where I'm at 9:29, I'll take, I don't know, I'll consider taking one off or taking all off. I'm trading micros because it just allows me to risk a little better, because my stop loss is quite big on this trade because we had high volatility after NFP. A 50-point stop with 1 micro on NQ. So let's say I enter right there. Oh no. Enter right there. And then my stop loss is right there. If I took that trade with even with 1 micro on NQ, my stop loss would be $1,000. Like, I just can't risk $1,000 in my funded account. I would blow it in 1 trade. So yeah. Yeah, I'm on X. Alan has just sent my link into the chat. Just Claudia Trades on X. I'm running a Lucid giveaway on there, by the way. If you guys want to get involved. That's what I'm in the process of doing. I'm in the process of gathering as much data I can on this strategy so then I can really understand when the best time to take a partial is. You should always have a system for when you take a partial, because if you don't, it's very easy to just be in a trade and emotionally take a partial. So you see a green candle and just think, oh, I'm going to take half my position off. And even if this stops me out right here, I'm still up 1 hour on the day. I've still made money and I've followed a system, right? Because if I just took, you know, half my contracts off right here, and then this price ran all the way down lower, then I'd be annoyed at myself, because that's what I'm following the system. Following your system is way more important than bagging short-term profits, because even if my system right now, I end up changing it in the future and realizing, okay, it's actually better for me to take a partial at 2R or at the first swing low, or, you know, even if I end up changing that system, building up trust with yourself, so that in my mind, I know, okay, I'll follow my system. I trust myself to do this. It makes your trading a lot better and it helps your discipline. You have to be able to trust yourself to follow your system. Otherwise, you're never going to be able to follow your rules and gain that sort of consistency. So building trust with myself right now is more important than, you know, maybe making $100 extra from me taking a partial. Yeah, definitely trade micros, especially if you're a beginner. It allows you to risk way more accurately and risk smaller amounts on a trade. So it means you can have whatever size stop loss you want. Exactly. I've already won my trade. I've either won 1R or I've won 3.5R, and either way, I've still won. That's valid. I don't blame you for taking a partial 2R, 3R, 4R. I've just found that trailing my stop into profit 2R, taking half my position off 3R, and then the rest of my position off at 4R is working best so far while I'm backtesting. But I'm always open to changing that, but I just need the data to validate that. Like, I'm not going to do it based off emotions while I'm in a trade. Yeah, that's very true. Once we're at 929, if we haven't hit my partial, I will take off one micro and leave the other one to run. I currently have 5 funded. I just passed 2 on NFP. Passed 2 Lucid Pros on NFP today, and then I already had a Lucid Flex, which I passed recently. And then I have an alpha. I have 2 alphas. All right. Come on, a little bit lower. A little bit lower. Boom. All right, that's our partial. That's our partial, and that's why you should always follow your system. Kind regards, Claudia. Kind regards, Claudia Trades. Right, now we have our final limit to run for 9:30, and we'll either get the rest stopped out at 1R or at 4R. So we will either make, so I've just taken off half my position at 3R. So that means I've bagged 1.5R. So we're either going to make 3.5R or we're going to make 2R on the trade, no matter what happens at 9:30. So I'm very happy with that. Is your mate just blowing accounts next to you? She's quiet.
Argue my sister right now.
So yeah, she's just blowing account after account sat here. She's already taken a trade for the day. While I was sleeping. Alright, we're 1 minute away from 9:30. I may trail my stop to 2R. Like, I don't want to give up that much profit just for the sake of a few points. Let's do that. I think that makes sense. Alright, here we go. We just want to shoot up, then that's fine. Bang! Full TP smash! Let's go! Always follow your system, my guys. That was such a nice trade. That was so nice. I was getting a little bit worried when I saw this, honestly. We had, let me get the full 5-minute leg. So we have this. Oh no, wrong way. We have this. And then we have this. I was worried about that. 2.5 and 0.618 together is like a bad combo when you're trying to go the opposite way, but it didn't hold, thankfully. So yeah, full CP smack. That is such a nice trade. That's the nicest trade I have taken on stream in a while, so I'm happy with that.
My sister is blocked.
Oh.
Are we so for real?
Always follow your system, team. You get the full TP. Let's go, let's go. Everybody drop a W. Everybody drop a W in the chat. Come on. That was a really beautiful trade. It really was. Common Claudia dub. Go. Very clean, very, very clean. Nice. Oh, I have so much rubbish. All right, guys, I wanted to do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway in a minute. That trade copying the Chanel bag for Claudia. For real. For real, for real, you know. Imagine if we reversed the entire move. That would actually be hilarious. Nice. Alright, how much are we up on this account now? We're up $700 in that trade. Very good. Very good, very nice. W. All right, guys, we're gonna run a giveaway inside of the Discord now. So the Discord link is pinned in the chat from Alan. So you're gonna have to join the Discord and head onto the announcements tab. So let me just get this up on Discord so you guys can see. So you're gonna, let me just make it bigger. You're going to head into the Discord, head to the announcements tab, and you're going to see a giveaway pop up here from Alan very, very soon. And you're just going to have to click join the giveaway. I'm giving away a 50k Lucid Pro account right now. Let me just wait for Alan to do this. This was a funded trade. Alan, are you there, Alan? My dude. Maybe I'll start the giveaway. I don't know how to do that. Should I figure it out right now? Alan's gonna be like, oh shit, what's she doing? Oh gosh, I don't know how to do this. Don't make me do this, Alan, please. Giveaway, create. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it. Okay, announcements. Winners, 1. Duration, 2. Name, Lucid, 50k pro. All right, guys, you have 2 minutes. Make sure to join the Discord. It's linked in the chat. Let's run this giveaway. Boom. The giveaway started. You guys have 2 minutes. Alan, are you proud of me? I just freaking did that. I just did that. Are you guys in this? You giveaway. Oh no, let's not do that right now. Okay guys, you have 2 minutes. Join the Discord, linked in the chat. Win a free account. Let's do it. Let's run it. Let's run it. Guys, look at this. Yeah. Yeah, to be fair, Alan's job is very safe. There's no way I'm gonna ever be able to replace Alan. Oh, I have so much delay. Oh, sorry. You guys have 30 seconds. 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. And then we're gonna find a winner. Let me just make sure that people are actually joining. 50 seconds. I'm gonna make it longer next time because I know that it's hella delayed, so I apologize. Ooh, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Join the Discord, join the Discord. Linked in the chat. Let's do it. Ooh. Hello? The giveaway should be over now. Why is it not over? 1 winner. Could be ended. How do I like do that? There we go. Royce, you won the 50k pro. Let's go. Congratulations. Please open a ticket in the Discord. I'll send you the channel. And I will send you the 100% off discount code to claim your... Why can't I send hashtag ticket? Hello? Hello? Open a hashtag ticket. Alan, you do it, please. This is not good. Alan's got it. Congratulations to the winner of the Discord. I appreciate you guys tuning in today. W stream, indeed. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm not going to be streaming tomorrow because we have bank holiday, so the market's closing